It is a Tuesdays. Back with some more webcam dev. Will it be chaos again, or will it work for once? Or will it just be pure chaos with loads of ear wiggles and everything? Who knows at this point with the series? Welcome everyone to another VRA webcam dev session. Cause why not? It's time to go and suffer again. Oh boy. I don't know how that's gonna go tonight, but hopefully it goes good. So yeah, hopefully y'all doing good. How are you? Oh, I'm just finishing to prep some stuff in the background quick. Cause I messed up some stuff. I did not do my job and close everything. Dum dum. I am dum dum. So this is a good no, that's correct, that's correct, that's correct, everything's correct. Okay, everything's correct. Okay. Well, I guess I can quickly, y'all eat. Hello. It's me, the bird. Oh, look at my little boys down there. Just running around. They just blip in the jar. But y'all doing good. I still need to open up some stuff on the side, so I might look broken for a sec. Oh dear, ow. It's how. What am I doing? I'm gonna fix myself quick. Ow. My arm. Yeah, I usually set up a second computer next to me with all the streams and stuff, so it says on resource and what I have to set up. But yeah, tonight I'm in the hopes that it's not going to be as chaotic as every day has been with the VRA webcam so far. I don't know why I have so much trouble with the webcam these past few days, but yeah, that's something that can happen, you know. Especially when you don't know how to do freaking Twitch integration. Like, dang. I had so much trouble last time doing Twitch integration. That sucked. Why did I have so much trouble? I don't even know at this point. But yeah, I'm gonna go break my arm a second time. Should be the last time. Ow. Ow, please. Ouch, my arm! The last thing. Come on. Come on, you old piece of trash. Yeah. Hey, okay. That's good. Bam. Okay. I don't know why my laptop is being extremely slow right now. Ow, my arm. Okay, I'm good. I'm fixed. Yeah. Right. There, alright, loaded. Okay. Why did it take 5 years to load it? What are you doing? Alright. Yeah. I'm jammed up my chair. Okay, webcam's still opening, that's why I'm not switching just yet. Yeah. Hey, Digit. Hello. Webcam. You hopefully not chaos. As it is usually with my webcam dev sessions. Like, dear lord. I suffer with the webcam these past few days, like, ouch. It sucks. And I'm trying to figure out what to do next. I feel like one step I can take, because my SDK is not finished yet. I'm thinking to add VRMs. Not VRA avatars, but VRMs. VRMs being like, people know it, and people use it with like VMagic Mirror, VC Face, etc. VRA is my own system, which is not done yet. So I was thinking maybe I can try to find a way to implement those avatars. Maybe. That could be cool. I guess I can do some research while the webcam is opening. Well, never mind, it's open. What thing? VRM game implementation. How does one do it? And that is not what I wanted to look for. Uh-huh. That's not the right thing. A VRM on 3JS? What? You can implement VRM on 3JS? Oh, you know what? Because VRM uses GLB and GLTF. That explains it. Also, I like how when I search VRM game implementation, it immediately pops up flipping crypto avatars. How about no? How about no? Where is VRM? How did you implement VRM to Unity? VRM Unity. How does one do it? Do I just have to import like Unity VRM directly or what? Let me check. For import and export. VRM format. Everything's in Japanese. That's it. Okay, so it seems like it would be both ways. Same as the game. Manual. So manual, I guess, is gonna be Japanese. Is there the English version of it? Import. Uh-huh. That's interesting. Man, if only everything was in flippin' English. Did it translate? No. No, there's no translate, whatever. There's no English version of this. Ah, no, never mind, there is. Import VRM file in editor mode to create a project. Is there a way to do it via code? Programming document. API document. Oh dear. Uh-oh. Oh no. I'm gonna do some research before going into the into Unity. I wanna try and do the VRM stuff. For sure. That way people will have access to at least something with their VRMs in the meantime, while my system is being implemented. That'd be good. Hopefully. So, okay. Program document. So, the VRM. Runtime import, that's what I want. How the heck is it? Eh? Runtime import, avoid color, immediate color. Is there English? That's Japanese everywhere again. Is there? Oh, English. It does not. Wait, what? It is English. What? Okay. I want the English version, but it's still in Japanese all the way. Yeah, nothing changes. It's literally still in Japanese. Dang. So documentation is not translated. Dang it. How do you use it? Color, that's an interface. Next frame, run. Boy, yes. Come on, it's all in Japanese. I can't read crap. Hey, Brisk. Welcome to my currently looking through documentation stream. Yeah, I need to look up how to... You find out how to import VRMs. Sample. Simple viewer. Load mode. Load model is sync. The path and build is VRM. What does... Wait, where does is VRM used? Where the heck is that variable used? Is VRM? Ah, there. If is VRM here. Okay. So if file exists, return okay. You have to from data. Parser. Okay, so I would need to do is VRM here. Okay. If VRM do this, else use this. Okay. That makes sense. I'm looking through the docs. If you are curious, that's what I'm looking at here. Just docs. On how to actually use it in game. There goes my phone. So, that's like the simple viewer, just as a little test. So, load model is sync, so it's in a sync function, of course. So if the file it does not exist, return. Of course, that would create an error. Debug log format. Pretty much debug the path, I think. I think that's parameter 0 here. Is it parameter 0? I think that means this. Maybe. Then GLTF data, so this section might not be needed. I might actually do is VRM and then stick this in, like directly in there. And if is VRM, use the VRM code, else use my code. I think that would work. So if is VRM, I'm trying to understand how that works. So a VRM variable of VRM data. And then in here, it has a loader, VRM importer context with the VRM. Material generator is set as whatever this is, get VRM material generator. Oh wait, m.text, what the heck is m.text? Is that variable? What the heck? What the heck is that? Okay, I don't see it anywhere. Update meta async. Pretty sure that would be... like something related to metadata, of course. From what I read, like there's some kind of class somewhere of metadata, and then not VRM exception here. File extension is VRM, but not VRM. What? Wait, it's still gonna try this in the catch, but that should error out too. Like, maybe if you set some random file to VRM, that's gonna fill too. It's gonna create an error. Huh. That is very curious. How does that even work? What? I need to know what mtext is. Asset VRM simple UI. Huh. Okay, so it's literally one of the simple assets. I mean, I can try and back up my webcam. How I've used it. I'm gonna back up my webcam. And then trial that, I think. See, VRA webcam, is there a backup in there? No. Okay, so, oh dear, how have you used it? Oh dear, oh no. I think I'm gonna have enough space on my disk, but oof. Oh god. Oh no. 2.5 gigs. Uh-oh. I guess that's all the builds in there, huh? I'm gonna copy paste it, I guess. Okay, 2.61 gigs. Not too bad. That's all the builds, I'm pretty sure, so... yeah, I'm just gonna duplicate the whole project. Probably close it for now, so that the copy works. And yeah, I'm gonna try to do VRMs in my VRA cam. Just so people, at least I can have some kind of test release for people to try out. Even though it's not gonna be working a lot. But, I mean, it's gonna work. But, yeah, I'm gonna have to label it like very early access, use VRMs for now, but its own system is coming up, stuff like that. So there's that. Yeah. We'll see how that goes tonight for VRMs. Hopefully it's not gonna be chaos, as I said. And I should also probably point out something about the series, for this day in particular, is that I am now back in to work in person. The only day I'm not working in person is on Tuesdays, so today. That means that I have to go to bed a little earlier than if I were to work remote, like 2 hours earlier, literally. And usually on my streams on Sunday and then Tuesdays, that means literally I have, the moment the stream ends at 11 PM EST, I already have less than 8 hours of sleep the moment I end the stream. So that's a bit not super healthy for me. So I was maybe thinking of shortening the at least the Tuesday stream. Maybe the Sunday one too, but the Tuesday one too, at least. From 4 hours to 3 hours. So instead of ending at 11 p.m. EST, it would end at 10 p.m. EST. That way I'd have like at least an hour to prep to go to bed. And at least like be able to, you know, stay healthy and go to work with enough energy, of course. Because I can't always have 7 or 6 hours of sleep. No, that's not healthy at all for me. I already had that nightmare for college. I don't want to live it again. So yeah, from now on, I think the streams are going to be 3 hours long for Tuesdays. It's less content, less time to do stuff, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do when you're remote and on location from time to time. But if there's one day that the next day I'm in remote or I have like some kind of a holiday, then of course I can bring it back up to 4 for that day. But if the next day I work on location, I'm gonna have to end the stream after it. Also, hi Blackout. Hello. Hi. I was just talking about for Sundays and Tuesdays, ending my stream 1 hour earlier than usual. From now on, because literally the moment I end the stream like at 11 p.m. EST, I already have less than 8 hours of sleep for the work tomorrow. So instead of ending at 11 EST, it's gonna be 10 EST. That's gonna end. Unless I have the next day remote for some odd reason, or I have a holiday. Also, I just realized no one heard you because I forgot to unmute the system audio. Because music. Hi, Blackout.
Hi, my stream.
So let me bring the VRC playlist back.
I made myself some sushi and fried rice.
Yee.
The sushi that's from the restaurant yesterday, so was the fried rice.
Yee.
I kind of had the tendency to make a gourmet.
But chill music is coming, of course.
Chill music.
Are
you doing a just chatting stream for now?
Not just chatting, I'm doing VRA webcam, but I'm looking into documentation right now and doing backups too, so I'm hiding the screen for now.
Okay.
That's more of an active song. I'm building a playlist quick. Hold on. That's more active, that's very chill. That's actually quite chill. Okay, I'm taking this. Okay, so I have, I'm just gonna save this playlist quick before playing it. Save playlist file to stream playlist chill. There you go. Alright, chill music is playing, and I see your redeem of hydrate with iced tea. So BFB, go and go get a can of iced tea.
Yay!
I was gonna take also cookies, but I've remembered I'm on location tomorrow, so better not eat sugar.
Yeah, don't. Like, I ate sugar one time, late at night. Bad idea.
You learned your lesson there, and I know my lesson too. I mean, to be fair, I was so used to not have any worries of, like, waking up too early tomorrow. Like, for, like, a whole month.
But now you pretty much have to worry about it.
Yeah, now, like, every time I wake up at 7 a.m., I'm like... I'm just dead inside. But yeah, moment of silence, please. Ah, refreshing. I give it a highlight. What HD? The first one of the stream. First one is always a can opening. What do you mean I opened it? What do you mean I'm losing my sheep privilege? What's the reason behind? I do what I want. No iced tea for you. Say, boy. I don't know what to. There's not much to save. There's not much to save here. I'm guessing once I open the Unity project back up after the backup's done, I'm gonna save immediately. If I need my sleep no more brisk, that's the exception. Brisk or no brisk? What would be a Mike the Bird stream without brisk?
Normal to you.
In both sense of the term. Come on, back up, you can do it. I'm guessing all the, there you go. Could not find it. Okay, good. It's done, I think. There it is. Update. Close this. Okay. I'm gonna go back to my... Game project Unity. And call this one. Go back up your stuff. As you're gonna lose stuff.
Ah, yes, I can hear.
Show / Valenti.
Sorry to interrupt, but I just gotta test my Discord web browser because last night it wasn't working because I couldn't hear anybody in the server that I was in. So I literally had to do a hard reset on the web browser, and to do that, you have to. Oh, for me, I had to go into my system preferences, enable Google Chrome, then re-enable it back once I log it again. I hate it when it does that.
Boy. Colonel said boy on the stream. I got that's a boy. That's good browser.
Yeah, this good, yeah, this is browser.
It's good browser. That person to hide.
I'm Google Chrome. Yes.
Yes. You feel like a Google Chrome today.
Yeah. You know what? This ain't the first time it did it on me.
Not the first time, huh?
Besides the first time.
Interesting.
But anyways, just bumping you to just to test it and also to say hi to you, Mike, and also Berber.
Hey, Berber and Berber.
Sorry, Black.
What?
I just want to say hi to Mike and you.
Ah, okay.
Mike and Barb. But thanks for saying hi and coming by.
Yeah. Anyways. Yeet.
Yeet yourself out the Discord.
Yeet.
Literally. And immediately got cut off. The best exit ever. Good job. And the middle for the and the middle for the best VC exit goes to
Who was it again?
Violente, aka Astro.
Hey! This should be clipped.
Oh god, I think Colonel Stiff noticed something in the VC. Heard a chick.
Come on! Can this chicken dinner kind of shit just go away, please?
I think he's about to just never. Actually, just like this. Never. Oh boy.
I'm just looking at the chat right now.
I guess I'm gonna download VRM. In the meantime.
Yay! Downloading!
He was also. Colonel was messing with you too. So, just messing with you. Okay, what is the latest version of VRM to install? I don't want to get 1.0. Which version should I get? Oh, that release was 14 days ago. Interesting.
Excuse me. Hey.
Oh, package manager. I wonder. So you need
Yes.
VR.
I don't know why I'm just pretty bored.
I'm gonna need to import a couple packages. So I did a backup, so if I mess up this, I can always go back. So let's see if I can do package manager and add a package from a Git URL. Let's see if I can add a couple of things. So this, would that work? Add. It did not do, and what the heck are these? Okay, interesting. Oh, there it goes. That's the first one importing. Hey, Mystery Gamer, welcome back. Welcome to my stream. Hello.
Oh, hi.
How are you today?
Oh, never mind. I can just look at the chat on your webcam.
Yes, it might be a bit small though. Yes. The exclamation mark Discord command to join the
Join the
Discord.
friend list.
To join the nest. If you haven't done so, feel free to do so. Like, I do have a couple of things in there. I've got some channels, some fun stuff. Yeah, and I do plan to have some events in the future on there. So, yeah. And I've got the VC as well for people to join as of now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just have to remember that it's a free Discord, so... Mostly furs. Like 99% furs. Okay, second one is in there. Okay. The third plugin I need to get is... So I did UniGLTF. I'm gonna need this one. And wait, why is it? It says rename on there. That's weird. Okay. I always have my backup in case. So, boop. Third package. And yeah, so just have to remember that in the Discord, I do have a verification process to protect against hate raids and stuff like that. So yeah, if anyone wants to join, remember to do that. And also, yeah, I'll get him welcome banner. I see you here. Third package installed. Okay, fourth one. Capiche. So I'm putting VRM. And I see the simple thing here. And I see everything here. The LTF, VRM, VRM shaders, and VRM 1.0. They don't seem to clash. That's good. So simple here. I want to just import that quick. Okay. So what did that import? Asset samples VRM. Okay, there. Close this. Why is it lagging? Oh god. Okay, it just did the recompile for some reason. It took like 5 years. Ah, yeah, that'd be cool. Feel free to do so, yeah. I would definitely play it on stream. Yeah, feel free to do so. You have it look nice. Yeah. Excited to see it. In the meantime, let me go remove some compiler errors. I love my compiler errors. My beautiful compiler errors. What kind of track you want? I love speed tracks. Full speed. Have you ever done any full speed before? Having made a full speed. Nobody can make one eye. Full speed for the win. Okay. Where's my error? So there's the first error. String username and whatever this is. Oof, I don't know. That is okay. No errors there. Okay, so second error is down there. What is it? Not our path through the value. Okay, so that needs a wait. This all the way to the end. It is. Identify expected. After that, I'm guessing just something get access to. What does this require? That returns a string, gets access token. And then the URL. I think it's, yeah, it's, I don't know what that should be. Yeah, use this. Did we check? I don't actually need everything else there. If we do this, okay, that doesn't do any errors. Secrets does not exist in the current context. Okay, because this secrets should be like client ID. Just gonna do client ID for now. Yoink. Okay, for now that's gonna do no errors in the Twitch mess that I did last episode. Wait, last episode I did. Did I skip last week? I think I might have skipped last week actually. Hey, please, thank you. Oh god, that's so fast. Fast. Okay, so now the webcam should be able to work by itself without causing any problems. Okay, it does. Good. It does. So the webcam is back in working order. That's good. Next up would be, I guess, try to find a way, first off, how to load a VRM. That's the important bit. How does one load a VRM? So let's go to Samples, VRM, Simple Viewer, and let's go see what that is all about. So if I press play here, it's open, that's gonna, how did it actually guess exactly where the VRM folder was? What? Excuse me, what? How did it guess?
Hey, what?
I don't remember ever opening that folder with Unity before.
I never even see you open a folder with Unity before.
I mean, I did before, but how did it guess the exact folder? And this should not have happened. Excuse me, what? I'm terrified. Anyway, let me just double click this and this should load the VRM. Indeed, it does load. Okay. And
oh my god.
I don't like the fact that the camera is completely black. Why is it black?
First of all, the Lord Farquaad E meme.
I don't know. Don't ask. What? Wait, there's something. Yeah.
I'm sorry, it just wasn't E meme.
Why is it not doing anything? Side color? Is that on me? Okay, it's not doing anything. Display both. Non-main display. Ah! There it is, because I tried to boot in the headset. So it did work. So it does load. I'm just dancing.
A dancing bird.
What's BVH?
Oh.
What are those settings? T-pose. Okay, yeah. That's good. What the heck is... What is that over there? What is that floating thing I see? Is that a UI element? No. What? Oh, I see it. I think I saw it. What the heck? Oh, okay, this is a weird thing. I don't know what that was, but okay. So what can you actually do? What is that? Pause. What is this? Look at target. Oh, that's a look at. Oh, that's a look at. That explains it. So right now, this is just as it seems, I guess. It's not actually talking. It's just testing.
I thought it was reacting with your mic for a second.
No, it's not. It's a test. Okay, so what are the options? Auto AIUEO. What is your auto AIUEO? Oh, that's the vent shapes. Ah, that's the seams. That's the lip sync. Auto blink. Okay. Use URP materials. That's gonna. Use async. Okay. Use fast spring bone. Fast spring bone. What's the difference? So there's slow spring bone and fast. I don't know what that does. I'm just dancing here. I'm literally just dancing with that, whatever that animation is. Why am I floating even? Why am I floating? Wait, where's the origin of this? So how does it load? Let me minimize this. And shut my mouth. Alright. So how does it load? VRM. There's the meta. Lenche proxy. Okay. So I'm guessing touching this would actually... Yeah, that touches this. Okay. Uh-huh. There's the exported version 2, which is nice. Thumbnail. License type, everything, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so then, if I enter there... Okay, so it does use the here key. Because I remember this. Secondary, what is secondary? I'm guessing that would be like the first person. Because that's the viewer. What would be the first person example? I don't need the first person, I just need to actually load. So where is it gonna be? Canvas for sure. VRA script, VRA UI. So load model, I don't care what that is. All I want is this here, the low model async. So this, okay. So I'm gonna need this line, these lines of code over here. So do the blah, 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 blah. If it's VRM, do here. So what is the M text? It's probably like a variable on top.
How much coding did you do for the past few days?
Not much. So what does this use? That uses text fields. Okay, okay, so I'm probably gonna have a button that's available. What I'm gonna publish like a test version for people to try. I want VRM to work. So I'm thinking in my little box with all the avatars I plan to put, having me 2 tabs. One for VRMs, other one for VRA avatars, so my system. But for VRMs, I'm thinking for now just add a button, kind of like VMagic Mirror or VC Face does, at the moment at least, and it will remember the path when you reboot the software. So I would need to go in my avatar loader. To load a VRM avatar. But then I want to see, after low model async, it's set model. Set model does what? It's a runtime GLTF instance. Enable update on our screen. Show meshes. View loaded. Where is the animator set though? If I press play. Can I quickly like this? So it does set the animator somewhere, I'm thinking. VRM. Is animation? Animator here. Wait, what? There is no controller on this. Huh? There is no controller. Where the heck is the animator controller? No. Human What the heck? So that is the animation. So I'm thinking, if I were to put like some random thing here, it would... Okay, no, it does work as a humanoid. It does work as a humanoid. Yeah, that is... What is this? So it creates a temp object somewhere. No motion temp.bvh. Okay, that's the start. CMDs. Get command line arguments. So it loads the motion. And takes that start. What? Okay, it's just to reset the meta. So where does M-motion set at? What? What? Wait. Disposable. Is that a whole... No, it's not the whole thing. It's just... What the heck? That is very complex. At least just looking at this looks complex. I'm pretty sure I can implement it. I'm pretty sure I can just say YOLO and discard everything here. And as long as the avatar is humanoid, should work. Pretty sure. Wait, one model. Go there. Gonna go in this one. I'll set model after this, or load a sync, and it's gonna wait. So it's gonna wait for this to finish. Then set the model to the instance. Unload and null. Dispose. That's just if it's that's just clean up. Enable VRA show meshes. Unload and enable BVH. Where's set motion? There's somewhere that sets the motion when it's loaded. Load motion. Set motion. Human post transfer. I need to check something. If I load it immediately, it starts in that pose. If I wait a little bit, wait for the animation to try and play out, then load. Okay, so it is already loaded by the time it is there. Okay, so human post transfer. What if I disable this one? Boxman. So that's the animation. How does that work? So set motion immediately. What does show meshes do? What does it that do here? So what is this? Loaded. A new loaded? Source. Update. Update toggle. Oh, that's Fragma. Huh. Action on BVH, action on T-pose. Huh. Hey. I'm a little confused. But I still want to attempt. Ah boy. It's my boy. As a VRM. And the VRM is gonna be easy to detect versus my actual one. Because the VRM uses the cell shading by default. Because VRM. So I will see how I can implement this in the webcam itself. So if I go to main assets, VRA cam, and back to my scene. So this should be with the avatar. Alright, so I'm gonna have a couple of things to add to my game setting and stuff. Public. Ooh. Actually, I should probably add it at the end here. Is VRM. By default, I'm gonna set it to false. So I want to load the avatar, but with VRM, there's like that little pop-up menu usually with all like avatar info and things like that. So I might want to show that and have a confirm button. Maybe. Maybe. And then I can map on the controller the different expressions and stuff. So VRM false, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Public string last VRM path. Equals nada, because there's no path. So save manager, I'm gonna need that. Loaded. In the webcam itself, I'm gonna add in the UI for avatars. Overlay. We add that right there. Avatar not yet implemented. I'm just gonna do in here. What's the extension? VRA avatar, I think. Yeah. Android with HD. Thank you for the reminder. Yes. There's VRA avatar. Dot VRA avatar files in the local avatars folder. Use arrow keys. Switch them, or you can press the button below to load the VRM instead. I think that makes sense. Actually, I'm probably gonna put this like that. Huh. There. Would that be too small though? I wonder. Would that be too small? Yeah. It'd be too small. Oh, that's big enough. Just good enough. And use arrow keys to between them, or you can press the button below to load a VRM instead, less features. Because in my system will have like loads of things that I want to implement here, but VRM is kind of like a last minute addition, I guess, for people to just at least try the webcam without having to wait for my system to come out. So I'm gonna need a button to load the VRM. So button. I can probably copy one of those buttons here, just to make it a bit more in line with everything else. There's that. Load VRM. Avatar. Right? Where to place it? Probably here. Okay. And here I would probably place like VRM info and stuff. In the VRA UI, how does it do the... I want these. In the avatar loader. So I never... Huh?
Sorry, I'm not being talkative. I'm just like experimenting.
Let me guess, I fell through you.
How the fuck did you know?
You know why I know.
Is it because I'm always on it?
You know why I know. Uh-huh. Okay. That doesn't matter. Why do I still have this? This is when I add the full body tracking implementation for the full body thing. Don't need that. Yeah. So load avatar. So spawn the avatar. Okay. So I want to go in here. And I want to, of course, call this when the dialogue is finished. That needs systems IO. I'm gonna do a region called VRM. Like, it's not temporary because it's gonna be permanent. Hey, Mo Savage. Yes, hello. How is your day? Hope you're doing good. Wait, still not. Is this my what's thing is it? What's a class literally? What? What? Excuse me. What the heck? Okay, then I need to use this. File data for Windows. What? Okay, so this is like a custom implementation of it. Okay. Wait, something uses System IO. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay. Using VRM dot simple viewer dot. Okay, simple viewer. Hey, no errors. I mean, there is errors still, because that function does not exist yet.
Like this tonight, I'm not gonna eat sugar and try to get myself the best sleep as possible.
Just another one. Okay, what the heck is this now? String directory extension. So directory is non-extension. VRM. I just want VRM. I don't want anything else. Alright. So then it would load the model, which needs to do the load model async. So, I mean, to be fair, the whole thing here is not gonna care a lot. I can just call it quit here. And then load model async. Avatar loader. Load model async. The micro. Hey, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the birds. We do code and we suffer all the way through. Oh god. Those are favors. I expected that, huh? Yee. Errors everywhere. But no worries. I'm gonna fix it. By first looking up, what do I not need? And what path do I need to take when executing everything? So I'm going to call this load model async, which I'm gonna rename load VRM async. Do not mess with my other one, which is what's the load avatar? Fair enough. So then, what is the prepare load that I have? It's up there somewhere. Awake, update, change avatar. Prepare load avatar. Okay. Do I have a test for null here? No, I don't. Okay. I don't have a test for null, so that's good. So I'll do a bool is VRM. Set it to false at first. That way I could call this load VRM async over here. So instead of starting that coroutine, I can do if is VRM. I want to enter this. Else do this. Actually, I might do the inverse of that. Because usually I would do the, I would load this first. Like, that's what I prioritize for my system. And think it would be a bit slower to do the other one. But it's like, it's very, 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 very tiny. Like, it's not perceivable at all. But still. From here, I still have my load avatar routine. I do have my backup still if that doesn't work. To be fair, I could do it here. If you're anything else, no. Ah. Because I don't want to mix everything with the VRM either. That does load the avatar. I might move this in its own function. That way I can call it from the other. But then, hold up. That is called like multiple times as well. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be a mix and match in my code. Holy crap. So load VRM async is gonna be this. Yes. So most of these are not existent because these are other things. VRM data. What the heck does that even... VRM data. Where does that even come from? Where does that even come from? One of these. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to load VRM shaders. Keep my avatar loader. So that did not fix the errors. That using that. Not fix the errors. I mean, did touch a bit of them. Bam. Did not fix most of them. Okay, VRM data is still not... What the heck? I don't even know what VRM data is from. Where does it come from? I got all of them loaded up. I don't have system though. None of these are used. What the? Why does... Oh, you know what? It's a variable. Somewhere. M text. That explains it. That would explain it. So I'll slap that into VRM. So text fields. Default. So that's what's used default. That explains. Ah, interesting. Okay. Add loader. So the text field is fixed. God, there's so much that I need to put here. Oh god. So I know it's gonna be a VRM. And I don't need the data. I do need the data. GLTF data. That's system. So that's gonna rule the exception, I think. Yep. So is VRM, it's always gonna be a VRM. So it's always gonna be a VRM. Honestly, I'm not sure if I should keep that part of the code. It's always gonna be VRM. So VRM data, that's it. Another thing. So VRM data, important context. Oh god. Let me fold up stuff. That's gonna be easier to see. Disposable, start function, load motion, the update. Open clicked, load model. Okay, so that's the whole script. So which one do I need between the two here? There's gonna be false and this, I think. Yeah. So data input context. What the heck is data though? Still gonna import both of these in our Alright. Alright, gonna need other things. Where did all reside? UI. Okay, it's gonna be, yeah, off. That's not gonna be URP. So false. Alright, so that's fixed. Input a context. I don't know what that is. VM data is still not correct. Use async. I don't know what async does. Sure, that's gonna be true by default. Right, I don't have the scene opened. Dang. True? Pretty sure. Because if it's not async, then it's gonna freeze when I load it. Oh, exception. Excuse me, what? Meh. VRM dot not VRM O exception. Is it because I'm not there? Okay, that fixed the VRM data. I'm not sure what's the difference here. So I guess I'll copy the other one true just in case. Copy just in case. And the set to false. A big ol' false.
Still coding?
Still coding.
So much coding.
Yes. Text fields. That's a UI. Using engine UI. Okay, so now it's just missing the set model. So when the VRM is loaded, set the model.
That's literally a long spaghetti code of line, if you ask me.
We don't talk about that. Honestly, you've never redone coding before, so it's maybe everything you're gonna see might look like spaghetti code.
To be honest, I've never done coding before, but I've done music.
Totally not the same thing. Okay, so yeah, then I'm just missing the set model here. Which I need the button to actually touch the where is it? The VRM. Wait, no, that's one. This one here. Open clicked. Open clicked. So that's on the avatar loader. The set model is gonna be a bit complicated. I just want to see how the set model works on this one here. Set model. With a cleanup as well. Now the right on screen is show meshes. And then M loaded. That. The runtime GLTF instance. In post transfer. I really don't know what to do with these. Just for now, just as a test. I will. Alright, so over here. Where's that is? Oh. Yep, no, come on, there it is. Boop. Okay. So a set model. It needs an unloaded. So Springbone, I don't care if it's on or off. Fast bones. M loaded. What that? What's that? M loaded. Last loaded. I disposable. Well, you go on top of here. With everyone else. Damn. I guess I'm just missing this. M source and M target. What does M source do? There's M target and M source. M source and target. Okay. Take these. And where is my VRM stuff? There it is. So I'm gonna need to place this somewhere here. Right here. Déchange Bob. I love it too much. Alright. So, no more errors. That is very good to see. So, is there anything that is done to loaded when on reset clicked? What is M reset is a button. What? Let me see, this is a button. Which button was it? Which button was it? Reset. Ah, spring bone. Okay, so I did press that button before. Okay, let's continue with ah, that's okay, there's a dispose here. So when the model is swapped, I'm guessing this is called after this model's done. That would make sense. Total sense. Okay, let me go back to here. So now there's no more errors. So now I would just need to go in the overlay. Avatar loader. So I'm gonna need to go to, where is it? I need not that, I need this. Alright. And yank it in here. Button. Load VRM. Alright. So when that button is clicked, I want to go to Avatar and call a function that I have not set public. Avatar loader. So now it should be set to public. Switcher. Avatar loader. Open clicked. Okay. I don't know what that's gonna do. It might completely break. It could completely break. And I expect it to break, knowing my stuff. But let's see. So load this. And boom. No effect, no reference. Okay. At least it did not break. Update meta. Oh, okay. Because the text thing is not. Ah. Right. The meta of the text is not. It's not there. So I'm gonna need well, at least I'm getting somewhere, so at least I'm making some progress compared to other episodes. That's erasable. I want a serialized field here. Public. Like that. And read from there. Actually, I could make it private. nothing else needs to access it, really. No, actually, no. Public. Because I'm gonna need to maybe get for like later stuff. So, yeah. Set it to public. Is less accessible than avatar. How do you... Wait, what? What? Start. Where is it set? What? Start? No. Okay, what does start do in text? Start. Okay, what sets it? That's my question now. Is there anything that sets this? They made a text start. There's nothing. What? Okay, I don't know why there's nothing there. That's so weird. I guess for now I can... Wait, no, not this one. This one. Yeah, just that. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Okay, there is... That's my point. Hello. Okay, so VRM successfully loaded in. But the old avatar is still there. Huh. Okay. It's getting somewhere. Can I still switch avatar? Yeah, I can still switch. And it does need to unload the VRM when I do that, so... I am wondering... how to fix these. So first off, okay, the autoplay mode. So I need to dispose of this. So prepare load avatar path. So what does it need? It needs null, path, and true. Like that. Next up, I need to do in here in the prepare load avatar itself. So there's a couple of destroyers here, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna do a cleanup here of the VRM. Cleanup of the VRM if it exists. Okay. So if I press play, Now, this should be loaded. But the moment I press that button over here and then select this, it should switch to the loading avatar and then only keep the VRM. There it is. Okay, it did not despawn the loading avatar because that needs to be added later. Because this is gonna need another pipeline for setting everything in the humanoid animator. Oh dear. But technically, the moment I also try to switch avatar, this should despawn. And it did not. Okay, so I'm not understanding something here. Why? Why are you still there? So it does not despawn. What would despawn it? What does dispose do anyway? Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm setting M loaded correctly. Print, I'm just gonna do M loaded. Just to see if it exists or not. Ah, crap. Well, there goes all my settings. I forgot to contain it. Oh, well, I go broken again. Okay, it's not too bad. It's not broken. That one. Let me just go back to something. Okay, there you go. Good. Okay, let's try that again. So that is null. I'm guessing this is the line of code I called. Yep. So that is null. Let me try to load a VRM. So it's dead null first, and then there's another debug somewhere. Clear that and try to change avatar. It's still null. Huh. Still null. What do you mean still null? What do you mean still null? What do you mean still null? Why? Because this, and there's another debug log somewhere. There's another debug log somewhere in here, probably. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so that debug log just releases the path as seen before. But there's a new loader that's created. I want to see what happens if I print it here. Oh, God damn it. Ah! Come on, I always forget. There goes all my settings again. I always forget. Bye. Oi. Now if I try to switch, it's null. That's null. Load VRM. Bam. Variable M target has not been assigned. M target of avatar loader. That explains it.
And also sorry for not being talkative. I was just making up a new melody.
Yeah, I mean, you said that already. But I'm just coding away, trying to explain my debugging process. So, yeah, M target is null. So this is not set. The target. Then we go to VRA and see where the heck that is set. It's a game object. Eh. Oh, that's the look at. I bet that's the look at. Hold up, that's the look at. Gotta go see now. Samples, VRM, this one. Look at target. Got it. So it's just the look at, pretty much. Get it. So I can pretty much go here and avatar loader. I don't care about this variable now anymore, I guess. Yeah. That is gonna be the look at target. The nicest. Do I have that look at somewhere? Hold up. Ice target. Is it ice target? Wait up, look at. iRaycaster is a game object. This is a raycaster. Look at ice target. So eyes target, which is what a transform. That should maybe fix it. Maybe. Hopefully. Yeah. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah, that is exactly the one object I'm looking for. Now let's see what's gonna happen when I load the VRM. Okay, so it does work, but why the heck is it still... What? What did it load the avatar? It loaded and that... What? It loaded it there, what? I loaded it in the active... Yeah. Ah, because I need to move it after. Makes sense. Okay. So why is there like tests like that? Yeah, you. Yank that out. So there's some automatic setup happening. So it's in the loaded thing over here. Okay, so that's the function that is called when the avatar is loaded. When the VRM is loaded. So I want to go in there and yank everything out mostly, and then use my own code to actually set up correctly the avatar. That makes sense. Okay, I'm getting it. But now I just want to see if the VRM unloads now correctly. So it's gonna load. Wait, unload now. Hey, there you go, that unloads. It did unload. Can I reload it though? I can. Okay. So VRM loading works. Now I just have to set it up the same way as the other ones. As my other system. Oh dear. That's gonna be a bit more complicated than others, because VRM is a bit more general, not specifically like humanoid avatar, it could be anything. And people can choose if they want to put like eye tracking and if they want to put things like that. So I'm gonna have to be very worried about that. So I want a blinker for sure. The Blanchie proxy, yes. In post transfer. Ah. Enable lip sync. Enable blink. So when loaded, I do not want to add this. I don't care about the AUO script. Don't care about that. That's always going to be enabled. Blinker, it's fine. But will... Actually, I should probably make it sit first. Oh god. So, I don't want to play this here. Look at head. Look at target, yep. And then I want to get the proxies. Okay, so that's gonna be challenging. Okay, so let's see. So now technically it should blink, but it should not do the test. Eh. There you go. Okay, it blinks, but it does not open the mouth. So that is good. Really good. So now it's just a question of like implementing the rest correctly, huh? Like if it did load. So I need what? First person avatar, I think. Wait, what do I need? I need to check from my other part of the script. So that's gonna be a game object. Avatar first, I don't need avatar settings because that's gonna be unused. So currently loaded avatar first is gonna equal the instance. Is equal to instance dot game object. Okay, that's a bit problematic here, because my thing here is static. Wait, what? No, wait. So then also if you wanted of property. Is it static? It's not static. However, first is required for the non-static field. It's not static. Is this static? No. Why? Oh, is it because it's from here? That would explain it. That would explain it. Aha. Like, I need to set there, but I just visible. Interface. I never worked with interfaces, so not sure how to. Huh. Oh, Jesus. Just sneeze. Oh, that was a hard one. Holy crap. Okay, I want to see, because I need to set this field. They do need to. This is such a puzzle here. I probably don't need all of this, I'll be honest. Probably don't need all of this. I maybe do. I wonder. Some trickery here. If I do a void load VRM or prepare, what should I call it actually? Set up VRM for webcam. Let's see if I do ref. Oh, you already done with the map? That's quick. I'm a bit busy here, so I might try it on Friday actually. On Friday is my gaming stream, so I don't need that. Yeah, just like I wonder if ref will work. Oh Jesus, would ref work if I smack this in? So look at target does not exist. I can set instance to instance. This works here. This does work. So maybe I can do all of this in here. And then ref this. let's setting up the variables and everything. Which I'm gonna need instance, because human transfer and the Banshee proxy. So ref VRM Banshee proxy M. Read that, yeah. Banshee proxy. Now the question is, will it let me call the function? It does not. I'll give you my saves until Thursday night. Alright. Fair enough. Oh Jesus. Arms stat. Sheesh. So tasty. Hello, Arms. Webcam. I'm trying to implement VRM in my webcam. Perfect. Perfect. Defense. Parrot fish. Yeah, but you know, I'm addicted to HD, kinda, so. If I have an occasion to drink a buttload of it, especially if it's not freezing cold, I'll drink it. I cannot call the function now. Because this is outside the iDisposable. What's the point of even iDisposable? I don't know. This causes an error. If I remove the iDisposable, huh? Now that is weird. Okay. That is extremely weird. I wonder, can I do... Can MPCT convert to VRA component avatar loader? Not loaded. Okay, so it's literally a different. Is that why to get the parent class? Because I need to set that variable here. You know what? That's not gonna work. Oh wait, did No, it did not work. So I can't use this.
Indeed.
Welcome back. Expected this. Where? Here. Okay. So now... you should be set. So avatar, I need to pass in the loader. Which is gonna be... these. There you go. With this being the avatar loader. So now with the loader available, I can set the loaded avatar first. Avatar settings is gonna be null. I'm gonna grab these here. And go here. And right, these are not gonna be available. Oh, they're public though. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. So if this is null, so actually, I need to test if it's humanoid or not. Where do I actually get them? Oh god. I might use the snipping tool. Grab some screenshots. I wonder how that's that. Oh yeah, it does look okay. I thought this would completely freeze something, but no, it did not. Okay, good. I want to grab this bit and put it on my second screen. So I've got like 30 minutes left to the stream. As I said before, I'm gonna end up an hour less than usual. And that's gonna be from now on, just to get, so I can get like proper sleep for my job. So yeah. Let's see, so setting up the first person avatar. Okay, so now let's try to set up the avatar. The VRM avatar. So, first person avatar. Loader that currently loaded avatar. First, that name equals. Is that what I can read from? The meta. Okay, I can't. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it VRM avatar. Just for now, at least. Loader that currently Avatar animator. Avatar. First, that get component animator. What if I loaded? Can't be an editor blog because void is not needed. What the heck? Where did they error out? Ah, in there. Ah, is this because of this? Which one? Ah, Leo break. That explains it. No yield breaks. Can I just return, actually? I should just return. Return. But I don't have any yield returns, because that would be a bit problematic. I could move everything after anyway. So get the component animator. So now I want to check if it's humanoid or not. If it's not, then return. That is human. If it is not human, loaded VRM. VRM is not a humanoid, which cannot currently be loaded in this app. There you go. So that's the check done. So then I disable that animator. I disable it. I remove the applied motion. I actually want to see if this works. I just want to check before going any further, see if I'm not doing anything in the void. So in theory, the avatar that should be loaded somewhere in here should be named just VRM avatar, in theory. Bang, VRM avatar. Alright, so that field works. That bit of code works. But now I need to move it from that first scene to the other one. Where did I actually move it, I think? I don't think I do. I don't think I ever do. Probably somewhere at the end. Ah, because when I spawn it, I immediately place it underneath. So I need to do that. Over here. Oh crap, I usually pass it as well. I just realized. Avatar loader. No, I don't need to. No, I don't need to. Loader that currently loaded avatar first. Dot parent transfer environment equals loader dot this. So now it should be parented to the correct object. And it's gonna error out because it's a different scene. I hope not. It didn't work. Okay, good. It's there. Let's go. Yes. Okay, so it did work. So then set active false. So disable the avatar completely. Make it invisible. Set active false. Runtime computer avatar animator dot runtime controller equals and loader dot default of motion animator. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna duplicate this. Set true. And test out how the animation looks on a VRM. Doesn't seem to be playing. It's disabled. If I enable it. Okay, so it does work. It is sitting. It's just because I disabled the animator too. And also my thing here is still not despawned. Getting somewhere though. The VRM support incoming. Sticking a little bit, but gotta do what you gotta do, huh? What does the enables? There's a lot of code to copy paste. Oh no. But some of that stuff is gonna be different though, that's the thing. So I think I did up to here. I can do this. Fine, that's fine. I can paste these for now. Don't need this anymore. Don't need this anymore. I know they load. Thanks to me, all this there's stuff. Loader dot in front of all. So okay, good. So far, so good. Wait, what? What the heck? Which one does that control? Which one does that control? I just noticed. What the heck? Okay, just added for some reason there. Okay. Next up, okay, so it's gonna be rescaling the camera rig. So this bit. The problem will be that the avatar needs to have a like first person thing. Like, let me actually press play here. And do this. And if I click on this, they're the proxies, so that's like, makes sense. But I need to get this. So this transform, like VRM first person, which not everyone puts on the avatar for some reason. I guess it's their choice, but okay. So yeah, I need, when I load a VRM, like with VRA, I don't have to worry about that because there's always that setting. But if someone loads a VRM, I gotta check if that exists. If not, then that might be problematic. I can just try and get the humanoid head instead. And guess. So yeah, is mine. Okay. So player controller ref. What does that reference? Ah, that's the other thing. Okay. So I gotta check. I gotta set the height of like where I want it to be. So that's gonna be, I'm gonna set a vector 3. With the camera height equals. So I want to check. So if there's a what's the name of the component I pressed? God dang it! First press. Oh, that's okay. That's for the meshes. But yeah, okay. Did it have anything? First person layer, new. What layer is that? Is that it? Uh-huh. Actually, I want to set these, actually. I just realized that first person only layer, that's going to be layer 31. Actually, no. Third person only. But first person and third person. I don't know, actually. I'm gonna set it like that. What's the name? First one camera manager. Okay, I gotta go back and play him. And see what that's all about. See if I can at least correct the camera. Are the spring bones loaded? Yeah, they are. Okay. The name is VRM first person. First person offset. VRM first person. Wait, hold on. I need to get the instance get component VRM for where? VRM first person like that. First person offset. Plus I might actually get this on its own thing. First. The camera settings. Equals settings with there, and then camera settings that first person offset plus camera settings dot first person bone dot position be local position. It spawns in the middle of the world, so I don't care anyway.
That's a lot of birds.
Yes. Why are you whispering all of a sudden? Any reason why?
I don't know.
Because I'm busy. Yeah. So camera height. Okay. So that should be the correct height. What I'm quickly gonna do separate if camera settings exists, do this, else camera height equals I guess vector 3. What's the offset I set on mine? 0.06. I guess I can try to do that. 0.06 F on the Y. So 0. 0.6 F 0 plus whatever the heck that is. So now I can set This here. Instead. Yeah, I think you're okay, good. I did what? Camera rig? No. This, thank you. That no camera rig. What? Okay, never mind. No, camera rig. There you go. Next step, your loading process. I can get out of play mode before I forget. Gotta do this here. Bam. It's going together slowly but surely. Taking a bit of time. That step here. I don't see avatar settings still, so that's good. Up to where? There. No, that's a debug log. I don't care about that, actually. Okay, no, I don't see any settings, so I don't know what that is there, though. I guess just for the debug. Well, we'll have to stop. I think I can copy most of this. Ah, no, not there. Gotta stop here. Okay, there's an avatar setting. Oh boy. Fan. Okay, loads of errors, but I don't care. I'm fixing them right now. Okay. Nope. Well, yes. Okay, can do. Around there, still gonna fix it. Good. A tiny meter. I don't care about these debug logs, so I can just yeet it. Just yeet it out. Alright. I can't get this. Okay, I can just do loader. Okay, good. Okay, I forgot somewhere something. Transform. Mine is this. Okay, so how will I do this part? Camera position, not Y. Actually, I can just do the head. I can just replace the head. Fine. There's a lot to copy. That's a very whole lot to copy, but it should still work.
It's a bird.
You always spontaneous back out, huh? so gotta go back to the loader. Alright, there. Bam, okay, time to paste a whole lot. And time to have 110 things to change. Oh dear. I might go a tiny bit over time, but, you know, gotta do what I gotta do. So, also, that's fine. This, I've replaced the entire thing with, oh, I gotta change that too. I just realized, like, that one needs to move around. I just want to be sure that, yeah, I replaced the whole thing with, okay. So I will take just camera height. And that's it. Because country loaded avatar settings is gonna be null. Camera height. Camera height. There you go. That should be good. Alright. There's a couple more of these, which I'm gonna need to change and update. But for now, place the loaders to fix all these errors. VRA key, FG setup, that's fine. Transform, animator, that, animator. FG setup, and this too. Go avatar height. Camera height, actually. There you go. Heavy setup, heavy setup. Boing, boing. Yep, blam. This. Ah, that's true. Okay, that I don't need that. I don't need this bit. Because I'm already applying the locomotion. Then this, then that, then that. That. Bang. Load bang. Add a load and bang. Okay, the rest is gonna be a little. The eye tracking is already good. The gesture control is going to be different, the eye tracking is different, lip tracking, that needs to be done in a different manner. bang, bang. Okay. So in theory, if I did my code correctly, I should not have messed up my VRA system, and VRM avatars should be working. If I did not mess up. Okay, so my VRA avatar seems to still work. That's good. And let me just change my code back on here. Let's see what happens if I load this. Okay, cross fingers it works. Damn. So at least animation was set. Which line failed? No, not one of the first ones. I tried to get the settings. Okay, what called it? Which line called it? Oh, the invoke. Interesting. Invoke killed it. The invoke killed it. I'll be sure that this is correct. Because I'm gonna be loading VRMs now, so... avatar settings does not exist. Okay, what else is gonna fail now? Hopefully nothing else. Something else failed. Which one? Same line. Did I not save? I did not save. Duh. So I'm going a bit over time for my new little schedule for the Tuesday streams, but I just really want to be sure that it works. VRM. Holy crap. Did it actually work? Oh my god. Let's go. The VRM works. So, of course, it's not fully done. Like, the eye tracking is not working. But hey, VRM works. I managed to load it in only 3 hours. Go figure. So I'm guessing like calibration and everything should still work. Calibration. Yeah, calibration still works, so that's good. Alright. Well then. I wonder if I change back to my other avatar. Okay, yeah. Like, my system is way more complete than VRM, but VRM works. So, that's a win in my book. Yee-hoo! Avatar, load VRM. Boing. A push. There's the VRM. Finally, some people can finally use it without waiting for my goddamn system to be goddamn released. So that's a win in my book. Alright, well then. That's gonna be why I'm gonna end the stream. As I said, I do want to keep like my 8 hours of sleep when I go to work on Wednesdays. So yeah, unfortunately, I have to cut the stream earlier from now on. During the week, the Friday stream is still gonna be the same length. The Avatar Monday streams are gonna be the same length as yesterday, because I work remote usually on Tuesdays. But sometimes I might need to go on location on Tuesdays, and if that's the case, then I'm gonna have to cut that stream a little short too. I really want to keep my sleep schedule, you know, kind of organized. So, yeah. But at least progress today. VRM is implemented. And I'm very happy with that. How does that look without a background, actually? Nice. So it does work well. And the shader does not look super bad. It's pretty good. Literally, the most precise tracking you can ever get. Flippin' tracker, and you have a VRM app that can do that now. I mean, I'm pretty sure there were other apps to do like. I know there's one of them, I think it's VC Face, that has the third-party plugin, where you can use like full-body trackers. But I want to keep it simple, and as of now at least, and just do one tracker on the head. And yeah, that's it does work. So yeah, all that's gonna be missing soon. Next time, implement the lip tracking. Implement I don't know. There's lip tracking. There's the seams. No, well that's lip tracking. The eye tracking. And yeah, I'll see if I can do some kind of public release soon. Like a little alpha release with VRM support. Because yeah, I'm very excited for this to be available soon. Well, I'm going to have to end the stream here, so we're gonna go raid someone. So stick with me. Let's go raid someone. Let me see who's available for raid. No one in my following list is streaming. Well then, that's a first. That's a first. I don't see many others really. Well then, I guess we can do, you know. Let's go and do a bigger channel this time, because why not? You know how I've been, like, raiding people with, like, playing flipping Pokemon recently. Well, there's another one. And you might know, Beta. Why not go raid Beta for once? Playing Pokemon, so why not? And remember, say squawk in the chat when we arrive at the raid. So yeah, and in the meantime, I will see you all on Friday for some gaming. I don't know what I'm gonna play. Probably that Trackmania track that Mystery Gamer made, but other games too. I will see. Anyway, see ya on Friday, 7 PM EST. Same place, same time. See ya.